If I select this text, as you can see, I'm using this font, downloading from the font. It's free. I leave you the link in the description. You can find it easily. For this plane, I give it this texture. I download it from CG Ambient. If I uncheck this, if I hit 0 here, as you can see, it's just a plane. If I hit new, as we are enabling Node Wrangler, just hit Ctrl+Shift+T and I select this texture. Hold Shift and select the first one and the last one. And you have this texture. You can go here in edit mode. I forget to tell you, you must subdivide your plane. Just right click, subdivide and give it 30. And you go here in UV and here you can select just project from view. And here just scale the texture to give it the look that you want. And go back. So this is for the plane. Now if I uncheck this text and they go here and add text, make it in the center and scale it up like this with S. Now hit tab and hit any text you want or logo. I hit Blender like this, hit tab to close, and now I scale it in the X-axis, just like this. Now change this font, it's this one, selected, and scale it in X-axis like this, and here extrude it. You can play as you want with this, so I uncheck this too. Now you have this one, right click, duplicate, leave it here and go here in properties of the text, and here uncheck this and give it a little depth, 0.01 like this, and here the resolution, make it in 0 and extrude it more, just like this, give it 0.2. Now for the texture for this one, I give it this texture, not this one. So this, just make it in glass and a color ramp, and the texture I make it in Voronoi texture. And as you enable in Node Wrangler, add mapping and texture coordinate. When you enable this, you must I connect object to the vector and add a bump. If you want to screen, this is the setting that I make for this text. Now Ctrl spacebar to go back. If you want to switch between this windows like this, just select the windows that you want and hit Ctrl spacebar, and you have a full screen for this. To go back, you can go back here or Ctrl spacebar. Now this outline text, Ctrl T to enable this and open the image texture, this one. But here I don't select UV, I select camera to vector. Now as you can see, we have this look like this, and I make it metallic. As you can see, it's easy to do. For the light, just I add an area light and I make it ellipse. So this is the setting that I make. If you want to screen this, I also use sky texture to light this scene. If you want to enable sky texture, here in this yellow point, go here in sky texture. So there is the setting that I use for lighting as a background. Copy this setting if you want to make it as mine. I use cycles. If you want to make it as mine, I use this setting like this. You can increase this. If you make this setting, the render in cycles, it will be faster. So if I go here to render the image, as you can see, it's take me less than 1 minute to make it. It's very easy. This is all for this tutorial. I hope that you like it. If you want me to make more tutorial like this, let me know in the comment. And if you want to watch more videos like this, watch my last video in the end.